Hi and welcome back to Market Conversation. Today I just want to do a weekly update on my Thinkorswim account. This is my Roth IRA account. I bought a lot of shares today of different stocks, as well as selling my biggest holdings in that small account. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon page where I can find like-minded people that like to talk about stocks, cryptocurrencies, options, and just learn from each other and grow and become a better investor and trader. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. So if you are interested, you can check out my link down below, and it's only 33 cents a day. I also have another tier that you guys can join as well, and it's only $5. So let's take a look. So this morning, I sold NRZ. So this stock here, I was able to make roughly $6,000. I've been holding this long term since last year. And let's just take a look at this chart here. You can see that it was up 1637 before the pandemic, and then went all the way down to $3. I got in around $4 and I started to average up. And I did make a video about NRZ that it was going to pass $10 because we see this here, this resistance that it tried to pass $10 a few times. So now we are just hovering a little above this. And I do believe we're going to hit $16 end of this year or possibly next year, but we're going to get back to the same level as we did before the pandemic started. Real estates did get hit the hardest, and it will take a lot of time for them to recover. And let's take a look at another one. So I bought more of this, AYRO. I bought 100 shares at $5.13. I sold a cash secure puts that I was assigned at $10, so I averaged down on this one. And then I bought 300 shares of CTRM. So these are alerts I gave to my Patreon members. You know, these things I see, they are very good for long-term holding, and all these companies will bounce. So I sold the cash secure puts on NIO. If you don't know what that is, that's essentially having a buy limit. So when you have a buy limit, you usually want to buy the stock below the trading price. So NIO, let's take a look at NIO. NIO is at 38. So I sold a cash secure put at 36. And for that, I was able to collect $200. That's free money that you guys can get if you sell a cash secure put. But the only thing with cash secure puts, you need to be able to put up the collateral. So the collateral is 100 times the strike price. So you need to be able to buy 100 shares of it. So in this case, it's $3,600. And that's actually a pretty good deal, because if you think about it, you get $200 just from waiting for the stock price to hit your strike price. That's free money. And we all know that NIO is going to reach at least $100 by the end of this year. We are just getting started. It's barely March. We still have 9 months left. And then I bought NIO shares. And I bought Wish today. So I bought Wish right after they went public, and it did make a high. Let's take a look at the chart here. So they go all the way to 32, and then it started to fall all the way down to $15. So you can see I have 200 shares at $18.71. I'm holding this long term. They can possibly be the next Amazon. And then I bought more penny stocks. So I like trading penny stocks. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and check out my Patreon page down below. More cloud commerce. So this is 11,500. Right now, cloud commerce is down, and a lot of penny stocks are down, which creates great buying opportunities if you guys are looking to get into some of these solid companies. I think cloud commerce is one of the solid companies. They can 10x this year. And then we have Palantir and more NIO, and then Open Door. Open Door Technologies, it's backed by Chamath. And it went all the way down to $17. So I bought in at $17.77 here. So I just wanted to share this quick update. I bought a lot of shares. I sold NRZ, which is my biggest holding in this account, and I was able to use all that profit to buy other shares and average down on them. Below, if you're holding onto any of these stocks or what you think about them. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4. So you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.